A day at the park. Hi, my name is Emily, and today I visited the park with my daughter Lily. It was a sunny afternoon, and the fresh breeze made it the perfect day to enjoy nature. Lily loves the park because she gets to play on the swings and run around in the open space. As we entered, we were greeted by the cheerful sound of birds chirping and children laughing. Lily ran straight to the playground and climbed onto the swing. "Mom, can you push me higher?" she asked excitedly. I laughed and gently pushed her as she giggled. After some time on the swings, we decided to explore the walking trail. The path was lined with tall trees, their leaves rustling softly in the wind. Lily stopped to pick up a bright yellow flower. "Mom, look! Isn't it beautiful?" she exclaimed. I smiled and nodded. "It's lovely, Lily." We then spread a picnic blanket under a shady tree. I brought sandwiches, juice, and Lily's favorite cookies. "Can I have a cookie now?" she pleaded with big eyes. "Of course," I replied, handing her one. After eating, Lily noticed some ducks by the pond. "Can we feed them?" she asked, holding a piece of bread. "Just a little," I reminded her. "We don't want to overfeed them." She tossed small pieces of bread, and the ducks quacked happily. Lily laughed, saying, "They're so funny, Mom." As the sun began to set, we packed up our things. Lily held my hand and said, "This was the best day ever." My heart felt full as we walked home together.